Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to put the upgraded Only944 Throttle Response Cam onto a 944. So to put on the Throttle Response Cam, you need a 19mm and a 13mm socket and wrench. And then obviously the response cam from Only944.com. So this should be a 13mm bolt on the old one. This one shouldn't be too tight, this bolt. And you want to keep a certain amount of tension on the throttle as you do it as well. Like, yeah, you can kind of take it off by hand at a point. See me lose this bolt, because I lose every bolt that I work on. Let's put that over there. Let's get the new one. You can see the throttle is over here now. So you can pull it in. Keeping tension on it though. Also, the new one, obviously, there's this hole. Take the, I'll put it on backwards. Take the washer from the old one, pull it around, put it in. I guess I need to go more. There we go. Now, that's what you do here. Oh, I guess obviously put the nut back on. Did I already lose a washer? How the fuck did I lose a washer? Oh, it's right here. Here's a washer. Can put this back on. It doesn't have to be super tight, obviously, since it didn't come off super tight. There we go. So the next step involves adjusting the wire. Now, on early 944s, the adjustment's right up here. So it's a hard thing to get on camera well because it's under these wires. But there's a thing right here to adjust, which I thought was 19 according to this. It clearly isn't a 19. Yeah, it's a 13. So taking the slack out of the line, which I didn't really have much to begin with, but taking the slack out, and then if you're wrong, you can adjust that. So here in the cab, there's a rubber nut right here, kind of behind the gas pedal. You can also adjust that. It's 19mm. So you adjust that to determine how far it goes, and that helps determine the throttle response cam as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to follow along with more content I create in my shop, please subscribe to this channel.